Hi my friend and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, yes, will be about my second bag from the Italian brand Campomaggi. I was so satisfied with my first bag that I told you I ordered another one. So here is the Mogano. And I am also really in love with this bag. So that's the reason why I'm making now this review. So let's start. My friend, if you have missed my first video concerning my first bag from Campomaggi, I will link it, no worry. In the end of this first video, I told you that I completely fell in love with another bag when I was browsing the Italian website of Campomaggi during the summer sale. And I fell in love with this bag, the Mogano, which was also on sale. And I told to myself, yes, I cannot miss the occasion. So here is the Mogano. It's again a small bag, all in leather, vegetally tan, coiled leather. This time it comes with gold hardware, and the color, I don't know if you can see it clearly, my apologies, but the color is called Moro. And Moro is a dark brown but with a little hint of burgundy. Maybe you can not clearly see it with my lights, my apologies, but I can tell you that under the sunlight you can notice it, and it's a very special color but fantastic. Honestly, I am in love with this color, and due to the design of the bag, it's really an original bag. And as you can see, we've got two pockets and two small top handles which are fixed to the bag with a lovely ring like this. And there's a lot of detail. Of course, I will include a pic, I don't know, here or at the end of the video. So you can see here the fish, which is the symbol of the brand. And you also have here some detail, but I will provide detailed pic. I thought it was a perfect bag, you know, when I go to event in the evening, and I do think it's a very funny style to have. And yes, I ordered it. I know the leather, and I can tell you it's also a gem. It's the same leather as my first bag. And I am not disappointed, honestly. So here are the two parts. You've got one with a zipped and you've got another one with a button pressure. I will give you the dimension of the bag, but I repeat, it's a small bag. However, it does fit a lot. Honestly, I am quite surprised because finally I bought this bag to use during summer evening events. And finally, sometimes I took it for running errands during the day, and it's okay due to the nice capacity. And this bag also came with a strap, also all in leather. You've got hook, and once again you've got lovely details, as you can read. You can read the name of the brand. So the strap is removable and also adjustable, so very easy. And once again, you've got the logo here. There are not a lot of details, but you got lovely detail. So I fell in love with this bag, and this bag used to retail at 355 euro, which is quite a price for such a small bag, once again. But I do repeat, there's a lot of elements that can explain the price. First of all, the leather, which is really insane. If you are a leather addict person like me and you love beautiful leather, really high qualitative leather, I can tell you that Campomaggi bag have this kind of leather. It's insane, honestly. The craftsmanship, it's also realized by Italian artisans. The bag is made 100% in Italy. So everything got a price, and the bag also came with a complete set, a little brush, you've got a product for your leather and so on. You've got a real complete leather care product which is given with each bag. So all this got a price, honestly. But during the summer sales and also the winter sales, you have the chance to have some bags at a great price. And this one was reduced. It was 30% less. So I do pay it more than my first bag. I paid 248.5. I will write the exact price, but I do think it was something around 248 euros. So it's a price, but honestly, for this quality, only around 250 euro. When you look at the actual price, that was a great bargain, honestly. And I do think that the style of the bag is also something really original and that you need to pay a little bit. So now let's see together what can fit inside. So let's start with the zipped compartment. And you see, it's like my first one. You've got the logo, and it's also open and closed very easily. I do not change all my SLG, so you can compare with my first video. So what can I fit inside? I can fit my document of my car. I can fit my compact wallet, which got a nice size. And as you can see inside, I also have a zipped pocket. Up. And it goes, look, I can fit my hand inside, so a really nice size. And once again, here you've got the plate with the name Teodorano, which is the city in Italian where is based Campomaggi. So, and here you've got, yes, I'm sorry, it's also dark, but you can see one pocket. And let's move on to the other side, so the other pocket, which this time is closed with a button pressure, and it's quite hard. This is high quality. And this time I've got also a lot of things. Of course, I do have tissue. I can fit, look, it's insane. I can fit my banana from Kipling, which is holding my lipstick. I have my mini creativity. So you see, I love having really pop of color for my SLG, because when you have dark interior, it's perfection. So I've got my mini creativity. I've got a pen. And my pen can fit, as you can see, my pen can fit inside like this, or also inside in this direction. It fits. And I also have my cash buddy, which is my compass. And so, and here is inside, and here is the button pressure. I am, once again, for this bag, really amazed. And when it's empty, look, it does not take a lot of place. So I took this bag on holidays, and it was, yes, you see, completely flap in my suitcase, and it was perfection, honestly. And as you can see, the second pocket, which is with the button pressure, is slightly smaller. You can see this, it's slightly smaller, and this is on purpose, because the other one, you've got the zip, and of course the zip, you need to have more space. But honestly, look at the back. Oh, maybe there you can see the color. Other than that, here it's the same size. It's just this place, you know, but that's due to the zip. I love this bag. Honestly, I love everything on this bag. First of all, the leather, because I told you they do have wonderful leather. And I don't know, but I do think this bag is so original, and it changes me from my, you know, my Roseau, which are lovely, but they have a classical form. And I do think this one is really different, and that's the reason why I told to myself, okay, you were crazy, you bought another bag nearly 10 days after the first one, but you will not regret it. And I can tell you now, because I bought it, it was this time in August, and we are now in February, and there is not one single day I have regret my purchase, because I know this bag is kind of original, but it's also a timeless piece, honestly, and I like it. So my friend, I have presented you my 2 Campomaggi bag. I am really happy to have had this brand to my bag collection. I repeat, for those who haven't seen my first video, I know the bag for many years, but I was not in love with a bag that I crossed in my life until these 2 ones. And it was a kind of risky because I just ordered them on the website. Of course, you can return them, but you know, it's always something to return an item. But this time, 2 times, it was a success. So I am really happy. And oh, I forgot to mention, but once again, I received it very fastly, very, very well packed. I will include the unboxing. It was in a box. It was yes, it was super well packed. I got a dust bag and yes, the experience with Campomaggi, I gave a 10 out of 10. Perfection for the 2 bags. So my friend, do you know Campomaggi bag, or do you love or hate this style? Because I repeat, they are kind of original. They've got a kind of boho, rock, chic attitude. It's kind of special. I do think it's not the taste of everyone, but it's my taste. It's my taste, and yes, I am super satisfied. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please boost it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.